Maybe hit it from the back a little.
That's what she said.
I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get.
Update. So this is a closer look on what happened last night. So basically, that's the ball joint. I'm gonna be replacing this. I think there's a pin underneath that holds it in. Then just screw that thing out. And also I have the tools to do it. I rented tools from K24. It's like a specialized tool used to remove the old one. I bought a new one today. But this thing right here, this brown looking shaft, it's called the axle. I'm gonna be replacing that because it's broken, up there. So I'm gonna be replacing this as well. It's gonna be a bit tedious because I'm by myself, but I can do it. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna pay a mechanic to do this job. It's just gonna take some time. And the good thing is, it's nice out today. The sun is somewhere over there, so it's not too cold. So yeah, these are tools. I'm just giving like an update on what I'm doing. So, oh my God, open. So these are the tools. This is the press. I don't know what this is, but I guess I'll have to watch 2 YouTube videos and see how to use that. But it's gonna be a good day. This is my winter car. I'm not gonna drive my nice summer car in this weather with the snow and the salt. So I use this car as my winter beater. It's cheaper on insurance monthly. It looks really bad, dirty and shit, but it's a good car. It's good on gas, especially in a time like this, because gas prices are to the roof. But I don't have anyone to hold the camera, so I'm just gonna install the parts and then show you how it looks when I'm finished. Yeah, this is gonna be like a 4-minute video, but yeah, I took the day off just to get this done. I was up all day running around like a loose chicken, trying to get the parts needed, but yeah, it's coming along. So, okay, I'm gonna put you guys down now, so I'll let you see how it looks when I'm done. Yeah, I'm gonna do one. I'm just gonna show them like the one that's broken. Okay, so we just removed this one. This one was broken last night, and this is the new one, partially new. I bought it used. Gotta go the cheaper way. And also, where's the other thing? Yeah, and also the ball joint. This was in there as well. We got a new one in. So this is the new one. So that's the new one. And now we're gonna reassemble it back onto the car. Woo!
Okay. Now, get me the hammer.
Where'd you put? Where is it? Oh.
She's in now.
We're just putting the pin. There's a locking pin. We just adjusted it
think she's in right now. She should be good right now. Let me see. Just
The keys got squeezed up.
So yeah, I think this is done now. But what I want to do is I just want to re-inspect it so it don't come out. Just want to maybe hit it from the back a little.
That's what she said. She's done. Looks like shit to you guys because you're not car people, but yeah, she'll be up and ready in 30 minutes. It's cold out here. Really cold. They're probably gonna ask for your Instagram.
Why?
You look like Thor.
I got that from a lot of people.
Okay, finally we're done. Now we gotta test drive it. Finally done. Now we gotta test drive the winter beater. Now I can go to work. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it starts.